Day 3, video 3. We are in Hiawatha, Kansas. We thought we would make it to Lincoln today, but we just didn't do it. After about 7 hours on the road with maybe an hour and a half stop, I just got worn out driving, so we found this little interesting RV park. It's called Meadowview, and if you see that little black pole over there in the distance, you just pull into a spot that's open and you go to that pole and write a check for $30, and that's where you stay. So these guys across the way here are working on the railroad, and they're staying here by the month, and they kind of helped me back in to the spot. You can kind of see that there's really very few people here, but it's just one of these deals where it's on the honor system. Never had one of these kind of things before, so we just backed into this spot, and once again not unhooked, and are going to spend the night here, and still about 2 hours or so away from Lincoln, and we just didn't think we could drive that tonight, so we just took a walk. Well, if you can see it over in the distance, there's a cemetery, so we walked through the cemetery all the way down, and there's a street over there, and there's no connecting streets. We had to kind of walk through the lawn to get back here. It's kind of an interesting little trek, but we really needed a walk after sitting for so long driving, and so we're not having campfires or anything like that. Oh, the door of the camper opened, and look who came out. Yes. So it's going to go down here to about 50 or 60. I think it's going to go down to about 50 degrees tonight. So perfect. We're just going to open up the windows and have a nice peaceful night's sleep. We are actually on a road, but it's not a very heavily traveled road. Today we had a very peaceful drive again. We came across all the way across the rest of Illinois and all the way across Missouri on US Highway 36. Part of the time it was an interstate, but most of the time it was just a 4-lane divided highway. And so it was very nice, very nice drive.